Hello students, today we will solve the question paper of term 2 for class 8 English. First of all, read the instructions carefully but move to the passage. First is section A, reading skill passage. So first of all, read the passage carefully and after that answer these questions. But we will practice only question answer, but you will read the passage carefully. So, answer to the first question. On the basis of your understanding of the passage, answer the following questions. So, overpowering. So, this is a challenge for creatures that do not have limbs. So, answer is A. Prey. Overpowering prey is a challenge for creatures that do not have limbs. Prey means shikar. How do pythons overpower their prey? So next answer is use muscle power. Next question, next question, which reptile cannot be put into poisonous or non-poisonous categories? Third one, snake. Fourth, what extra step does sandboa take to be sure of their prey's death? So fourth one is inject poison. A is the correct answer. Move to the fifth. What trick is used by the prey to avoid becoming a meal? So fifth one, develop immunity to poison. C is the correct answer. Next one, why would Indian hosts be offended? So next one, sixth one is answer is if one spits out meat. So seventh one, what makes mongoose a snake predator? Seventh one, answer is C is correct. All of these. Eighth one, which reptile is dangerous to birds according to the passage? So 8, sand boa. A is the correct answer. 9, poison dash softens meat. So soften is the correct answer. Next one, 10th, California squirrels are dash rattlesnake poisonous. So what is the answer? Resistant to. So resistant is the correct answer. So move to the passage 2. Benjamin Franklin means move to the question. So you read, I hope you will read the passage and get the ideas. But which newspaper did Ben Franklin buy? So number 1 question answer is D. D is correct answer. Second, what was Ben Franklin's pen name? So Franklin's pen means nickname. So B is the correct answer, Richard. B is the correct answer. So move to the next question. When did his brother start the first Boston newspaper? So third, what will be the answer? His brother started the first Boston newspaper when Benjamin Franklin 15 years old. So जब वो 15 साल के थे तब उनके भाई ने न्यूज़पेपर स्टार्ट किया था. What invention did Benjamin Franklin invent? Benjamin Franklin ने कौन सा invention किया? So he invented the first odometer, the Franklin store, swim fins and bifocal glasses. A penny saved is a penny earned. Do you agree with the statement? Why or yeah, why not? अगर आप इससे स्टेटमेंट से एग्री हैं तो क्यों और क्यों नहीं? सो आई एग्री with the statement that a penny saved is a penny earned because if a person does not spend a penny, he would have a penny with him in the same way as a person who has earned the penny. So it is correct. Move to the section B, writing skill. You will get all the answers in the question paper at the last. So practice yourself. So this is writing skill and practices. I hope you will practice. Move to the next section, section C, grammar. So fill in the blanks. Past tense, you have to fill in the past tense. So Mohan had already taken his breakfast. So taken is the correct answer. If she had prepared for the examination, she would not have failed. Had prepared is the correct answer. The bell had gone before I reached the station. So had gone is the correct answer. Last, the patient had died before the doctor arrived. Had died is the correct answer. Rearrange the following words phrase to make meaningful sentence. Question number 7. So A, festival brings colors to the life of a human. Second one, in India, many types of festival are celebrated. Third one, some of these are Holi, Diwali, Eid and Christmas. So this is the answer of jumble words. Move to the next question. Write the sentence in passive voice. We must write to him. We must write to him. So answer is he must be written. He must be written to by us. Next question. The work. They are doing the work. So answer is the work is being done by them. Next question. The car hit the man. So answer is the man was hit by the car. Next, literature and the textbook. So these questions are taken from your textbook. So I hope you will be able to answer, and otherwise you can go to the answer part of this paper. So these questions are there.